Have you recently purchased a new Epson printer and you want to set up your Mac? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Epson Connect Printer Setup utility on your Mac. This software includes the essential drivers and tools needed to connect your printer and ensure it works smoothly with Mac OS. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from downloading the utility to completing the installation and adding your printer. If you need additional assistance, feel free to call the numbers displayed on your screen for personalized support. Now, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First things first, open up your web browser on your Mac. Search for the Epson printer driver download. Make sure to include your specific printer model number in the search. In the search results, look for and open the official Epson support website. Make sure it's the official Epson site and not some third-party site. Once you're on the Epson support website, scroll down and look for the operating system section. Check that it's set to Mac or Mac OS. Now, scroll down further until you find Drivers and Utilities Combo Package Installer section. Next to it, you'll see a download button. Go ahead and click on the download button to start downloading the package. Once the download is complete, you'll see a new installer window open up on your screen. From here on out, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the package starts installing and opens, in the new window that appears, you'll be asked to choose a language for the installation. Select your preferred language and click Continue. In the next screen, you'll see the license agreement and go ahead and read through it. I know it's long and boring, but it's important. Once you're done reading, click on the Accept button to proceed. Now, you'll see the Software tab where you can select which items you want to install. You're going to see options for drivers, utilities, and other software. Go ahead and select the items you want installed. For a basic setup, just select the printer drivers and Epson Connect utility. Once you've selected what you want, click on the Install button. After you click Install, the setup program is going to connect to Epson's server to download the necessary files. Just let it do its thing. It should only take a moment. Now, wait patiently while the setup program downloads all the necessary drivers and software on your Mac. You'll see a progress bar showing the download. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just be patient and let it finish. Once all the installations are complete, you'll see the Setup tab. Here, you'll see the Next button. Go ahead and click on that to start the actual printing setup process. In the next window, you might be asked to confirm the ink is charged or something is similar, basically asking you to confirm your printer is ready to go. Go ahead and click on the checkbox to confirm, and then select Next to continue. After that, the setup is going to ask you physically connect your printer to your Mac. Go ahead and plug a USB cable into your Mac and into the USB port on your Epson printer. Make sure your Mac is turned on and your printer is turned on as well. Now, just wait a moment for your printer to connect to your Mac through the USB cable. The setup program will automatically detect when your printer is connected. Next, you're going to see a Print Test Page window. This is where you can test your printer to make sure everything is working properly. You can either click on the Test Your Print to print a test page right now, or you can click on the Next to skip this step for now. Alright, now you're almost at the finish line. You're going to come to the Setup Summary window. This shows you everything that was installed and configured. Just review it to make sure everything looks good and then click on the Finish button to complete the installation. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.